Prime Minister Narendra Modi said at an event in Puducherry today that the Government of India has made several efforts to improve rural and coastal connectivity, adding that the agricultural sector will gain from this across India. It is our duty to ensure their produce gets good markets and good roads do exactly that, he said. And he added, the four-laning of roads will also draw industries in this area and generate jobs. A Delhi court on Thursday granted protection from arrest to Shantanu Malik in the toolkit case till March 9th. Malik, along with Disha Ravi, is accused of sharing a toolkit on social media related to the farmers' protest. Additional Sessions Judge Dharmender Rana granted the relief to the activist after the Delhi police said it needed time to conduct further interrogation before filing a detailed reply to Malik's anticipatory bail plea. As many as 229 COVID-19 cases have emerged from a single hostel in a school in Maharashtra's Washim district. Those who tested positive are 225 students and 4 teachers. The school premises have been declared a containment zone. The students are mostly from Amravati and Yavatmal, 2 districts that have contributed to a spike in virus cases in recent weeks. Army Chief General M.M. Naravane said China has been in the habit of creeping forward, making very small incremental changes wherein each change was not big or worthy of a very strong reaction. Because of these small incremental moves, which were never contested, China has been able to achieve the aim without firing any shot or loss of life. He also cited the example of the South China Sea, where China militarized some of the islands. Naravane said that this strategy will not work with India. Chinese President Xi Jinping on Thursday declared his country had achieved the quote human miracle unquote of eliminating extreme poverty, though questions continue to surround the Communist Party's criteria for making the claim. The World Bank says China has lifted more than 800 million people out of extreme poverty since turning to market reforms in the 1970s. The president claimed no other country can lift hundreds of millions of people out of poverty in such a short time.